Hello everyone, welcome back. Let us discuss today on the build quality and fit and finish of the TVS Apache RTX 300. इसके साथ साथ हम लोग आज ऑन रोड रेट लिस्ट ऑफ ऑल द वेरिएंट्स को भी देखेंगे. In this video, all the inputs are based on my personal experience of touch and feel of the bike and its component, and also by checking with the TVS Premium Vehicle team and the old Apache customers which I met at the showrooms. First things first, let's start with the keys. We get wave key for all the variants which look bold and premium. We get the nice underlined DRL, LED headlamps in the base and the top variant, and the Class D headlamps in the BTO variant, which looks amazing. We get a tall clear visor which is sturdy and premium. Sun indicators are taken from Ronin, like Honda does from 180cc NX200 till Africa Twin, same legacy. Let's check out the paint scheme. We get most of the colors in glossy paint and we have sparkles in it. Side panels are in matte, in which we get 3D embedded horse logo of the TVS. Black looks so good in that sparkling color. Personally, I like the matte finish, which we get only in the Viper green of BTO variant. Also, we get powder coated trellis frame, which looks premium. Let us get on the handlebars now. We have got nice brown color handlebars, wherein we get the very good quality switch console. We have adjustable levers, brake and clutch both, wherein the clutch is very soft. If you are moving forward from a non-slipper clutch bike to a slipper clutch bike, this will be butter smooth. We have got a nice designed sporty rear view mirror which serves the purpose. Let us have a look on the build quality of panels and its fittings. We can see that most of the panels are perfectly fit and are made of good plastic. They looks like they won't rattle in high speeds. Even the same we felt in the test ride also, except the two places where I found the quality issues. One was near the TFT screen, which you can see here. There is a mismatch in the panel. Apart from that, you can see the metal mesh in the screen. That is low quality and that is very delicate. If anybody pushes it, it goes inside. Apart from that, rest of the things are good. I felt the tank felt hollow when we knock, but because it is plastic and we have a metal tank inside, rest all the things were nice. Let us take a quick break and check the on-road prices of all the three variants in Bangalore. Next comes the exhaust. Exhaust is inspired from the Africa Twin, but unfortunately it doesn't sound like that. It is very soft sounding exhaust. You can have a look. We have got a very generic sounding single horn, and in the exhaust pipe we have catalytic converters in two portions. I think we have got a nice sum guard, but it is not metal. We have got an interesting component here which is used to exit the air which is hitting the radiator, which will avoid the heat which is felt by the rider. So TVS has given very king size rider seat and fairly decent wide pillion seat. The cushioning of the rider seat is good, and pillion side is little bit less than the rider seat. So for the city rides they are perfect. Maybe we need some additional assistance for long tour. The texture of the material which is used for the seat is very good. Heart of the bike is 299cc liquid cooled engine, which we have not got yet chance to test it to its limit. TVS has provided convertible foot pegs in which we can remove the rubber for off-roading. And also a super sensitive quick shifter. We have casted aluminium swing arm in the rear, and you can see the chain and the sprocket which we have brass coated in the BTO. Brakes is the next target. So we have both front and back non-branded brakes. So the rear one is a bit softer, whereas the front one is punchier if you are in rally mode mainly. So you have to, if you are in urban mode, wherein the ABS kicks in very soon. TVS has provided the widest tire in the segment, front and back. They are block pattern tires, dual purpose, but with the ride experience we can feel that they are road bias tires. Of course not in the off-road, but we have tested it on the well-known Bangalore roads. Suspensions are very well tuned. Even the base variant suspensions are very smooth. So definitely the BTO variant is going to have edge in the suspension settings. Glad to have you till here with us, and we would like to hear from you. Please do comment that how you felt about the content or anything you want to know about the bike. I'll get the details for you. Thank you for watching. Jai Hind.